2012 Mercedes C300. What we got done, still got all the stock converters, one here, 2 rear converters. Then he's had an X-pipe put in somewhere else. Then he brought it to us because he put a new valence in, a carbon fiber one. And we did 2.5-inch pipe on each side. And we did a muffler delete basically. And put some quad tips on it, right there. And right there. That's how you do a muffler delete on these. And he did a resonator delete earlier with an X-pipe. That's the original mufflers that were on it right there. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Perfect. Yeah, that's sexy.
That makes me smile.
Yeah. That's the old mufflers. And the phone always rings, never fails. It's okay. Woo! Let you guys hear on the inside.